Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting project in store for you as we dive into the world of aesthetic small room makeovers. Transforming a compact space into a cozy, stylish heaven is not only fun but also incredibly rewarding. So let's get started. First things first, let's take a quick tour of our petite space. It may be small, but it's a bursting with potential. The key is to a successful makeover is maximizing every inch of the room while maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. We have chosen a soothing and cohesive color palette to set the tone of the room. Soft pastels and neutral tones create a serene atmosphere, making the space feel larger and more inviting. Remember, the right colors can work wonders in a small room. Next up, let's talk furniture. In a small room, every piece should serve a dual purpose. Opt for multifunctional furniture such as a daybed with storage underneath or a compact desk that can also be used as a vanity. This not only saves space but adds functionality to the room. Walls are like a blank canvas waiting to be adorned. Incorporate aesthetic wall decor, such as a gallery wall with your favorite prints, tapestries, or even some floating shelves to display trinkets and plants. It's a great way to add personality without cluttering the space. Lighting can make or break the ambience of the room. Choose statement lighting fixtures that not only illuminate the space but also serve as decorative elements. Fairy lights, floor lamps, or pendant lights can add a touch of magic and create a cozy atmosphere. No makeover is complete without a touch of nature. Introduce some greenery with potted plants or hanging planters. Not only do they bring life to the room, but they also contribute to the healthier and more vibrant environment. And there you have it. Our aesthetic small room makeover is complete with thoughtful design choices and a touch of creativity. You can transform any small space into a stylish heaven. If you enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design inspiration. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you have any question or want to share your own small room makeover tips, drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned.